This surah or chapter is called Joseph. It is chapter 12. It contain 111 verses. It is surah of Mecca. Okay, recite.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
Alif Lam Ra.
Alif, Lam, Ra. Allah know the best. What does it mean?
Tilka ayatul kitabil mubin.
These are the verses of the clear book.
Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan Arabiyyan la'allakum ta'qilun.
Indeed, we have sent it down as an Arabic Quran that you might understand.
نحن نقص عليك أحسن القصص بما أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن.
We relate to you the best of stories, in what we have revealed to you of this Quran.
وإن كنت من قبله لمن الغافلين.
Although you were before it among the unaware.
إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت 11 كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين.
Of these stories mention when Joseph said to his father, "O my father, indeed I have seen in a dream 11 stars and the sun and the moon, I saw them prostrating to me."
قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا.
He said, "O my son, do not relate your vision to your brothers or they will contrive against you a plan.
إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين.
Indeed Satan, to man, is a manifest enemy.
وكذلك يجتبيك ربك ويعلمك من تأويل الأحاديث.
And thus will your Lord choose you and teach you the interpretation of narratives.
ويتم نعمته عليك وعلى آل يعقوب كما أتمها على أبويك من قبل إبراهيم وإسحاق.
And complete his favor upon you and upon the family of Jacob, as he completed it upon your fathers before, Abraham and Isaac.
إن ربك عليم حكيم.
Indeed, your Lord is knowing and wise.
لقد كان في يوسف وإخوته آيات للسائلين.
Certainly were there in Joseph and his brothers signs for those who ask.
إذ قالوا ليوسف وأخوه أحب إلى أبينا منا ونحن عصبة.
When they said, Joseph and his brother are more beloved to our father than we, while we are a clan.
إن أبانا لفي ضلال مبين.
Indeed, our father is in clear error.
اقتلوا يوسف أو اطرحوه أرضا يخل لكم وجه أبيكم.
Kill Joseph or cast him out to another land, the countenance of your father will then be only for you.
وتكونوا من بعده قوما صالحين.
And you will be after that a righteous people.
قال قائل منهم لا تقتلوا يوسف وألقوه في غيابة الجب يلتقطه بعض السيارة إن كنتم فاعلين.
Said a speaker among them, do not kill Joseph but throw him into the bottom of the well, some travelers will pick him up, if you would do something.
قالوا يا أبانا ما لك لا تأمنا على يوسف وإنا له لناصحون.
They said, O our father, why do you not entrust us with Joseph while indeed, we are to him sincere counselors?
أرسله معنا غدا يرتع ويلعب وإنا له لحافظون.
Send him with us tomorrow that he may eat well and play, and indeed, we will be his guardians.
قال إني ليحزنني أن تذهبوا به وأخاف أن يأكله الذئب وأنتم عنه غافلون.
Jacob said, Indeed, it saddens me that you should take him, and I fear that a wolf would eat him while you are of him unaware.
قالوا لئن أكله الذئب ونحن عصبة إنا إذا لخاسرون.
They said, If a wolf should eat him while we are a strong clan, indeed, we would then be losers.
فلما ذهبوا به وأجمعوا أن يجعلوه في غيابة الجب.
So when they took him out and agreed to put him into the bottom of the well,
وأوحينا إليه لتنبئنهم بأمرهم هذا وهم لا يشعرون.
But we inspired to him, You will surely inform them someday about this affair of theirs, while they do not perceive your identity.
وجاءوا أباهم عشاء يبكون.
And they came to their father at night, weeping.
قالوا يا أبانا إنا ذهبنا نستبق وتركنا يوسف.
They said, O our father, indeed we went racing each other and left Joseph.
وتركنا يوسف عند متاعنا فأكله الذئب وما أنت بمؤمن لنا ولو كنا صادقين.
And left Joseph with our possessions, and a wolf ate him, but you would not believe us, even if we were truthful.
وجاءوا على قميصه بدم كاذب.
And they brought upon his shirt false blood.
قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا.
Jacob said, Rather, your souls have enticed you to something.
فصبر جميل.
So patience is most fitting.
والله المستعان على ما تصفون.
And Allah is the one sought for help against that which you describe.
وجاءت سيارة فأرسلوا واردهم فأدلى دلوه.
And there came a company of travelers, then they sent their water drawer, and he let down his bucket.
قال يا بشرى هذا غلام.
He said, Good news. Here is a boy.
وأسروه بضاعة والله عليم بما يعملون.
And they concealed him, taking him as merchandise, and Allah was knowing of what they did.
وشروه بثمن بخس دراهم معدودة وكانوا فيه من الزاهدين.
And they sold him for a reduced price, a few dirhams, and they were, concerning him, of those content with little.
وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا.
And the one from Egypt who bought him said to his wife, Make his residence comfortable, perhaps he will benefit us, or we will adopt him as a son.
وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض ولنعلمه من تأويل الأحاديث والله غالب على أمره ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And thus, we established Joseph in the land that we might teach him the interpretation of events. And Allah is predominant over his affair, but most of the people do not know. To be continue. This program sponsored by Alamana Media Network. Rehan Studio.